Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Nikola, ticker symbol NKLA. And so here I am recording this on Wednesday, April 24th, after the market has closed, and Nikola closed on the day at a price of 62 cents, being down 2.41% on the day, but going up zero point 0.8 cents in the after hours, which is 1.29%. And so here we can see the price action over the past many days. And the last video that I did put out on Nikola, interestingly, was on April 10th, and I had posed the question, could Nikola reclaim $1 a share at this green line? And sure enough, the day after, pretty crazy, there's a gap down, and Nikola went down almost 27% on the day, so pretty crazy. And from there, it has consolidated to the downside. And so there are a number of things about this that don't look so good, but there is a little bit of hope. And so I wanted to go over the bad things first, and then I'll go over the hope. And so the bad things are that this is a pretty big down move followed by consolidation. That is likely a bear flag, which would mean it could be breaking to the downside even more. And then also, based on the trading of today, April 24th, we see a pretty big red candle down 2.41%. And this candle has actually engulfed not only yesterday's candle, but the two prior candles as well. So we do have a pretty notable bearish engulfing candle here. However, one thing that is pretty good about this that could be suggesting that a bottom is in, or potentially at least that it's not breaking to the downside just yet, is that we have not seen a close lower than the close hit on Monday, April 22nd, which was at a price of 61.11 cents. And so if we do see a close below that, if we do see a close at 61 cents, so just 1 penny lower than the current price, I would think that is a confirming close below not only this wick here, but below this uptrend, which has potentially served as support. Price has resided above that over the past couple weeks, but has recently broken below it. And so I do think that if we do get another close below that, especially if it's below 61 cents, I do think Nikola could be revisiting 58.4 cents here, marked by this red line, or, doing a full retracement to the low here hit on March 14th at a price of 58.2 cents. So both of those levels being right around there, it is quite possible price could be returning to that level or potentially going to this blue line here at 52.1 cents. And so that blue line originates from back here, back in time, this low that was hit on June 6th of 2023 before this big run up. So, I do think that price could be returning to that level. And, while it does suck, while that is a pretty big pullback from current price, if price is drawn down further before earnings, which are on May 7th, there could be a rally following earnings. So that could actually be pretty good for the stock if there is a drawdown and there's a beat on earnings, or just, with expectations being so low, with the price so low, potentially there could be a rally after earnings. But, generally I would say that this is not looking so good for the stock, but there is this uptrend, and I should note where that uptrend originates from. I did skip over that before. And so that does originate from the 52.1 cent low here. And then the other pivot point is the low hit on January 17th, which was at a price of 60.34 cents. That's how you get that uptrend. And so we did break below it just a little bit here before this rally up. And so I'm wondering if that will be holding, but we do need to get a close above that level tomorrow on Thursday, April 25th. So I would say we need to be seeing a close above 64 cents. And if we don't see that, I think that this bearish consolidation, this bear flag, would suggest further downside. So I would brace for that. But if price can move up, I think it would be really good to be seeing it claiming the 786 here at a price of 70.36 cents, or right around 70.5 cents. This orange line here. Let's see, the high on April 16th was 70.78 cents. So I think especially it would be good to get a close above that level. But if we can't see that, I would brace for 58.4 cents, if not lower. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.